Hello, and welcome to our YouTube video on Mastering IELTS Reading, Proving Strategies for Effective Time Management and Improved Comprehension. If you are preparing for the IELTS exam, you know how crucial it is to master the reading session. In this video, we will explore the essential skills needed to excel in the IELTS reading test, including effective strategies, time management, and improving comprehension. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and motivation to enhance your reading performance and achieve success in the IELTS exam. Firstly, let's look at some top tips. Use effective strategies. The first strategy is scanning and skimming. Learn how to quickly skim through a passage to grasp the main idea and scan for specific details. Scanning is when you search the given passage for specific keywords or specific details or paraphrases. Skimming is when you read the passage for main ideas. These techniques are invaluable for saving time and locating answers efficiently. Then identify keywords. Understand the importance of identifying keywords in questions and using them to locate relevant information in the passage. This skill can significantly boost your accuracy in finding correct answers. You need effective time management. To do this, practice time-bound exercises. Practice completing reading passages within the allocated time to improve your speed and accuracy. Setting a timer and stimulating exam conditions will help you get accustomed to the time pressure and enhance your performance on the test day. Also, prioritize questions. Learn how to prioritize questions based on difficulty and point value. By tackling easier questions first, you can maximize your score and ensure that you don't miss out on easy marks. Improve comprehension. To improve comprehension, practice active reading. Develop the habit of actively engaging with the passage by underlining key points, making brief notes, and summarizing paragraphs. This approach will enhance your understanding and retention of the material. Additionally, expand your vocabulary. Work on expanding your vocabulary by reading a variety of texts and noting down unfamiliar words. Building a strong vocabulary will not only aid in comprehension, but also in answering vocabulary-based questions more confidently. In conclusion, mastering the reading session of the IELTS exam requires a combination of effective strategies, time management, and improved comprehension. By implementing the skills and techniques discussed in this video, you will be well equipped to navigate the IELTS reading test with confidence and precision. Remember, consistent practice and positive mindsets are key to achieving your desired score. Best of luck in your IELTS preparation and stay motivated on your journey to success. Now let's watch the following success stories.
I'm a beneficiary to his teaching. I actually wanted to write IELTS in 2020 March, so I started learning with him 2019 December, which the classes was effective. I wrote and I did well. All the skills he taught me with the reading and the speaking and writing and listening, I had all the scores I needed for my registration. I actually had 8 in speaking, I had 7.5 in both reading and listening, and I had 7 in writing. So I want to encourage you. I wrote IELTS twice because of some delays. I wrote it the second time, and the second time too, he took me through the lessons, and I still had equal scores that I had with the previous one. He's a very good teacher. He has learned IELTS for a long time. He has been teaching for a long time. So I want to encourage you all to join his class, either on YouTube, on Facebook, wherever you are able to join, just join, and you not regret. You also come out with good results. God bless you.
I'm Linda, a Ghanaian registered nurse, currently working in the Republic of Ireland as a nurse. So I started my IELTS journey in 2018, where I had no idea to what IELTS was about. Fortunately for me, I met Shadi, and then he took me through the process in a step-by-step manner that made learning very easy and simple. The knowledge he impacted me with helped me pass my exams. And with issues of migration, he was also of a good help. So if you're looking for a one-stop point for all of your IELTS lessons, look no further than RPN Shadi. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and resources. See you next time.